Welcome to First Choice Auctions. Going once, twice, sold to the online bidder. Buying with us is easy. Watch for more information. How does it work? First, check our online catalogue by visiting firstchoiceauctions.com.au. If you want to bid online, you will need to register. On auction day, either bid online or come and see us in person. What will it cost? As a buyer, you pay us a buyer's premium based on how much each item sells for. Up to $10,000 is 12.5%. $10,001 to $50,000 is 10%. $50,001 and over is 7.5%. Are there any other fees? We accept cash, direct deposit, EFTPOS, Visa and MasterCard. A 2% surcharge will apply to all payments processed using Visa and MasterCard. Remember, you may have other external fees like rego costs, roadworthy costs, or transfer of title costs. Other things to consider. All items are sold as is, where is. We provide no statutory warranty or guarantee of any kind. Roadworthy certificates are almost always not provided. Any information we provide to you is based upon what we have been told by the vendor. Is there a reserve price on items we sell? Our auctions have a combination of items with and without a reserve. This is clear on our online catalogue. The no reserve items are highlighted as such. In person, we can let you know on a case-by-case basis when we see you. Do we sell outside the auctions? Yes, we sure do. A buyer can make an offer at any time, and we will give this to the vendor. The vendor can then decide whether to sell it to you or let it go through to auction. What are the terms and conditions? Full T's and C's are available at firstchoiceauctions.com.au. Basically, all items are sold as is, where is, and no statutory warranty or guarantees are provided. We also require full payment by COB on the next business day after auction. What do we need from the buyer? You will need to register as an online bidder or register as an in-person bidder. They don't cross over. Provide us with your license information, it's a legal requirement, and agree to the terms and conditions of bidding before you place your bid. How often do we have auctions? We post our event schedules online using the below, firstchoiceauctions.com.au and facebook.com/auctions Fraser Coast. Got any more questions? You can get in touch with us on social media or give us a call 0490 104 306. We are available Monday to Friday from 9 till 5 and Saturday 9 till 12. You'll find us at 97 Burrell Road, Urangan, just near the airport. We'll see you soon.